Welcome to the full story on nitrogen cycling. We'll explore why nitrogen-fixing plants may not work, as you might have been told. This simple cartoon version is plant legumes, get free N. But the reality is more complicated. Legumes partner with rhizobia bacteria to pull nitrogen from the air and store it in their bodies, not the soil. Nitrogen only returns to the soil through careful management. This is the seed pod trap. Legumes fix nitrogen and store it in root nodules. As the plant produces seeds, it moves that nitrogen into the pods. When you harvest the pods, most of that nitrogen is removed from the land. If your goal is soil nitrogen, cut legumes at 10 to 50% bloom before nitrogen moves into the seeds. No nodules means no nitrogen. You need the right rhizobia species in the soil. If a legume species hasn't been grown before, inoculation might be needed. Also, applying soluble nitrogen can shut down the fixation process, as the plant won't spend sugar on fixing nitrogen when it's already available. Timing is everything, especially concerning death and decay. Nitrogen cycling is about what decomposes and feeds your microbes. The more of the plant you remove, the less there is to cycle back to the soil. Green, soft legume biomass releases nitrogen quickly, while stocky residue releases it slowly. For nitrogen-fixing plants to actually work, the right biology must be present. Secondly, don't use soluble nitrogen, which can shut down the fixing partnership. Finally, most of the plant must return to the soil, including foliage, stems, and roots, to decompose and cycle nitrogen to your next crop. The bottom line is that nitrogen cycling is a relationship between plants, microbes, animals, and decay, not a product or a single species. When we keep that loop on the land, the need for outside nitrogen drops significantly.